Okay, so I've researched hundreds of faceless YouTube channels to find the top niches that have proven to attract millions of views. And you won't believe how fast some of these channels are blowing up. The most surprising part? One of these niches doesn't even need a voiceover. That's right, just a captivating concept, some slick AI-generated images, and killer background music. And if you're thinking a channel like this can't be monetized, well, prepare to be amazed. So in this video, I'm not just going to reveal these 3 hot niches. I'm taking it a step further. I'll create videos for the first 2 niches and show you how to elevate them to the next level. Stick around until the end, because the final niche is an absolute goldmine with virtually no competition. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. The first niche on our list is animal facts. Check out this channel that launched less than a year ago and already boasts around 130,000 subscribers. They're crushing it with short-form content, and some of their videos are racking up millions of views. To create videos like these, the first step is scripting. There are 2 ways to go about it. First up, let's head over to ChatGPT and ask it to generate 5 intriguing topics about any animal. For this example, let's go with the megalodon. Once we have our topics, we can dive into creating a short story around one of them. The second approach involves using the YouTube summary with ChatGPT and Claude Google Chrome extension. Pick one of the animal facts videos, then modify the URL by replacing shorts with video. Use the extension to extract the transcript from the video and then paraphrase it with ChatGPT. Depending on the story, we can ask ChatGPT to create prompts for generating the necessary images. Now that the story is ready, it's time to create our images. First, let's copy our initial prompt and head to our preferred image generator. For free users, I recommend using Leonardo AI. We can choose the Leonardo Lightning preset and adjust the image dimensions to a 9:16 aspect ratio. Then, we will paste our prompts to generate the images. These look great, so we can continue generating the rest of the images to match the progression of our story. If you want these prompts, you can find them in the resource section of my Discord channel. The link is in the video description and my channel page. If you have the budget, I highly recommend using Midjourney for these images. As you can see, the results are simply stunning. To create images like this one, start by typing /imagine and then paste the prompt. Add _AR space 9:16 to set the aspect ratio. Once the images are generated, we can choose our preferred one by clicking the corresponding button. U1 for the top left image, U2 for the top right, U3 for the bottom left, and U4 for the bottom right. Feel free to upscale these images if you'd like, but the current resolution is already great for shorts, so let's go ahead and download them. Most of these videos rely on static images, but we can make ours stand out by animating them. For this, we'll use Luma Dream Machine. I recommend subscribing to one of their tiers as the free version can be quite slow. Trust me, I know the frustration. I typically spend at least 6 hours waiting for a task to complete. But if you're willing to wait, the results can be pretty amazing. Alternatively, you can check out Morph Studio or Pixverse, which may still be free depending on when you're watching this tutorial. Let's go back to Dream Machine and upload our images. We'll also include a description of our image as well as our preferred action, if necessary. The final videos look pretty impressive. Next, let's create the voiceover for our narration. We'll copy our script and paste it into ElevenLabs. For the voice character, let's use Adam, which is a very popular voice on social media, and proceed with our generation. For background music, we can easily pick a track from YouTube's audio library. However, if you want a truly epic soundtrack, I recommend checking out Epidemic Sound. The final step is to compile the video. So let's import our clips and drop the voiceover inside the timeline. We'll take out any pauses and silences and arrange the video clips according to the flow of the story. AI-generated videos can be slow, so let's speed up some of these clips and also add animations to places where we're using images. Now we need to grab some transitions and drop them between our clips. Feel free to use your preferred transitions or select one and apply it to your entire video. We'll also add some cool effects and also apply a filter to our videos. Next, let's generate our captions, choose one of these templates, and apply the Kamika Axis font. The last step before exporting our video is to add our background music. Lower the volume and trim any unnecessary sections. Now we can go ahead and export our video. And there you have it, the final result.
The megalodon, a colossal shark, vanished around 2.6 million years ago. However, in 2022, an intriguing discovery was made off the coast of Australia. Scientists, aiming to study marine life, used nets and unexpectedly hauled in hundreds of shark teeth, including those from great whites and mako sharks. Among these were teeth that seemed to belong to a shark possibly related to the megalodon, raising questions about what could have devoured all these sharks. Rewind to the 1960s near the Great Barrier Reef, where men aboard an 86-foot boat anchored to fix their engine. To their astonishment, they spotted a massive shark swimming alongside their vessel. Certain it wasn't a whale, they believed the shark matched the size of their entire boat.
The second niche on our list is what I like to call imaginative photography. Just take a look at this channel that has blown up from creating this unique style of content. The best part? It doesn't even require a voiceover. They simply take countries and months and reimagine them visually as superhero characters, transformers, kaiju, and more. This approach isn't limited to short-form content either. Some of their long-form videos already have hundreds of thousands of views. To test this out, we're going to try recreating a video of countries as transformers. Let's head over to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a prompt for creating one of these countries as a transformer. I spent hours testing images with DALL-E, Leonardo AI, and Midjourney. Ultimately, I settled on Midjourney because their images fit better with this style of video. So let's head over to Midjourney and paste our prompt. First, type /imagine, and then paste our prompt. Next, include our desired aspect ratio and hit enter. Look at the amazing results we're getting here. Check out the ones I've generated for Nigeria, Norway, and Egypt. To create the prompts for these other countries, I simply returned to our prompts page and typed the name of the next country. And as you can see, ChatGPT has created unique prompts that can be used to generate our images. To level this up, we can upload our images into Luma Dream Machine and create exciting videos like these. Now, let's put everything together in CapCut. We'll start by arranging our clips on the timeline. Next, let's add a text field and include the name of the country. For the images, we'll quickly go to Emojipedia and search for the country's flag. Now we can copy and paste it into our text field. We'll repeat this process for the other countries and add our preferred transitions between the clips. Let's also apply one of these cool filters to enhance the overall look of our video. To reduce the duration of our video, we can create a compound clip and speed it up slightly. The final step is to add our background music, and here's our final result. The last niche on the list is one I like to call AI video mastery. AI video generation is incredibly hot right now and is expected to keep improving, especially with the upcoming release of OpenAI's Sora. Just take a quick scroll through your feed, and you'll find videos about new AI video generators or even videos like this one that are getting thousands of views. Check out the comments on these videos, and you'll see how excited people are to try their hands at this cutting-edge technology. And this is where the opportunity lies. Creating a channel dedicated to teaching how to create AI videos would be incredibly exciting. Trust me, there's a huge demand for such content. I've personally received multiple requests, including one to make a full music video. Unfortunately, most of us creating these videos are unable to fully explore these tools. But a dedicated channel could dive deep, better understand them, and produce some truly remarkable results. But keep in mind that most of these video generators are freemium tools, so be prepared to invest a little if you want to learn quickly. Anyway, I hope this has sparked some ideas for your channels and niches. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you, and see you in the next one.